Hi everyone, welcome back to the video. As in our previous video, we learn about some real world use cases of generative AI. In this video, we are going to know how AI combined with no code tools or low code tools is a real game changer. And after that, we are going to know about some career opportunities in the field of AI. As we have already explained what are no code or low code tools like Make and Zapier, we also build some application, some workflows with the help of those tools. So AI with combined no code or low code tool bridging the skill gap. A non-tech user can build tool like ChatGPT plugins, LangChain expression language, or Gradio Streamlit interface. With no code or low code tools, you don't need to be a machine learning engineer to build something powerful. LangChain expression language, Gradio, Streamlit, and even custom GPTs inside ChatGPT make it possible for everyone to design AI workflows. For example, an HR manager can build a resume screener that sort application using RAG pipeline without writing a single line of code. This reduces the time, cost, and dependencies on technical teams. It put innovation in the hand of domains expert. This is how we bridge the skill gap. Not by retraining everyone to code, but by making AI buildable by anyone. So, with the help of AI and no code, low code tools, anyone can build applications according to their desire. They do not need necessarily the knowledge of how to code and what to code. They can simply use AI and build what they want. Now, let's have a brief look about the career opportunity in the field of generative AI. In the field of generative AI, new roles are emerging, such as prompt engineer, RAG workflow developer, AI app builder, AI consultant or AI expert, toolchain integrator. Those didn't exist few years ago. As an ML engineer, your job is now included reasoning with LLMs and orchestrated tools. As a prompt engineer, you might be designing systems that handle thousands of user queries a day. As an AI consultant, you could be transforming how industries work, from logistics and law to marketing and medicine. Or maybe you become an entrepreneur, building GenAI product, solving niche problems, and launching tools for a global audience. Most importantly, you become a lifelong learner because in AI, change is the only constant.